Hello guys. Presenting Valentine's Day hairstyles for a dreamy look. Valentine's Day is about love, and when you style your hair with love, they bloom. These easy Valentine's Day hairstyles are here to make you look stunning. 1. Romantic Updo. An updo can always go right for a Valentine's Day. You are going to look mesmerizing. 2. French braid crown. Wanna have that can't take their eyes off look? Scarlett Johansson did the same. It is sober as well as catchy. You can always get this. 3. Short wavy hair. Just like Nina Dobrev, start to flaunt your short wavy hair in a dreamy style. Open and pair them with a short dress to look irresistible. 4. Aesthetic Hairstyles. A tousled bob can be the aesthetic hairstyle you have been searching for so long. This cute yet flirty hairstyle can offer you class impeccably. 5. Cute ponytail hairstyles. Who said ponytails don't go with Valentine's? They have the capability to alter your look and offer you an exciting and amorous look. 6. Blowout Hairstyles. Blowout hairstyles can create the most positive vibe when styling it correctly. If you want to look fresh, an ideal choice this Valentine's Day. 7. Old Hollywood Waves. These classy and poetic old Hollywood waves are a way to your partner's heart. 8. Hairstyle for black girls. So, if you are a black girl with luscious and voluminous curls, this hairstyle for black girls can prove to be a godsend. 9. Knotless braid styles. If you haven't tried this is the time to show off your lovely Valentine's Day hairstyles. 10. Valentine's Day hairstyles for long hair. This hairstyle, you need to straighten out your long hair, put on some serum, and pair it with a stunning dress. 10. Fishtail Braid. Fishtail braids are considered to be a synonym for fascination. Just by being simple and easy, they can steal hearts. 11. Box Braids. Box braids are highly in demand these days. Besides offering hair protection, it also makes your hair look classy and elegant. 12. Caramel Balayage. Caramel Balayage is the need of the hour. Go for balayage your hair and look the hottest. 13. Short braided hairstyles. In the range of Valentine's Day hairstyles, short braided hairstyles can be worth your time. 14. Side swept hair. These cute Valentine's Day hairstyles is so adorable that you can't take your eyes off it. I hope you choose a cute, cool, yet suitable and eye-catching hairstyles. Here for you to style your hair at its best and become ready. Happy Valentine's Day, lovelies. Like and subscribe the channel for more useful, more trending ideas. You can visit our page, https://www.theroylanders.com/valentinesdayhairstyles/. Thank you.